In this video, we'll take a deep dive into each of the top 10 AI tools for businesses, uncovering their intricate features, the advantages they offer, and their game-changing impact. Let's embark on this journey of innovation. Wix's AI-powered website builder. Our journey commences with Wix, a pioneer in integrating AI into its offerings since 2016. At the core of Wix's innovation lies its AI-powered website builder, revolutionizing the art of website creation. Wix doesn't stop at websites. Their AI suite encompasses a dynamic range of tools, including an AI text creator designed to churn out high-quality website content. Complementing this is an AI image creator, engineered to enhance visual elements. Furthermore, the upcoming AI site generator promises to redefine website creation by crafting tailored designs, content, and layouts based on minimal textual prompts. Muff's realistic voiceovers. Transitioning to the auditory domain, we meet Muff, an AI voice generator that holds the key to crafting lifelike voiceovers, seamlessly transforming written text into engaging narratives. Muff Studio empowers users to adjust pitch, speed, and emphasis, adding a personalized touch to generated voiceovers. For small business owners venturing into the world of multimedia content, Muff's simplicity eliminates the barriers that often accompany technical complexity. Pictory's AI-powered video generation. Pictory emerges as the AI-driven video generator, converting textual content into captivating visual narratives that resonate with modern audiences. Pictory's AI engine parses text, meticulously selecting visuals and animations from an expansive library. By adding music and voiceovers, Pictory transforms words into immersive video clips, empowering businesses to convey their messages with impact. HitPaw. For businesses aiming to enhance their visual content, the HitPaw AI Photo Enhancer takes center stage, propelling ordinary images into the realm of professionalism. HitPaw's brilliance lies in its effortless approach, enhancing images with a single click. Designed for users with varying levels of image editing expertise, it streamlines the process of creating compelling visuals for business marketing and communication. Fireflies.ai. Navigating the realm of business meetings, we encounter Fireflies.ai, a tool strategically designed to simplify the transcription and summarization of meetings, unlocking valuable insights. Fireflies.ai utilizes AI-powered transcription to convert spoken words into searchable text, easing the burden of manual note-taking. Its unique feature, AI Super Summaries, condenses meetings into actionable highlights, streamlining post-meeting workflows. Synthesia. Synthesia revolutionizes video creation through AI. By converting text into engaging videos, it serves as a powerful tool for marketing, education, and more. Its ability to generate videos in different languages and accents enhances global communication. DALL-E 2. Introducing DALL-E 2, an AI marvel from OpenAI, poised to redefine artistic creativity by generating images from textual prompts. DALL-E 2 empowers businesses with the ability to craft bespoke visual content. From product designs to marketing materials, it transcends the limitations of traditional image creation, enabling businesses to stand out with unique visuals. Jasper's AI. An AI writing assistant engineered to streamline content creation across various formats. With a repertoire of over 50 templates, Jasper caters to the diverse content needs of businesses, generating everything from blog posts to marketing materials. This tool's integration with image generation and customizable tone of voice amplifies its utility for businesses seeking engaging and consistent content. WriteSonic. WriteSonic takes natural language processing to the next level. Like ChatGPT, it generates responses using real-time data from the internet. But that's not all. WriteSonic can even generate images based on descriptions, giving you a dynamic tool for creative content generation. Personal AI. Personal AI takes conversational AI to new heights. It streamlines interactions with business partners, coworkers, and prospects, whether you're automating responses or having more natural conversations. Its versatile features extend to booking flights, managing tasks, and bridging language barriers through translation. As we conclude our exploration, the monumental impact of these top 10 AI tools on the business landscape is undeniable. From crafting websites to generating content, from enhancing visuals to simplifying meetings, these tools empower businesses to embrace innovation and stay ahead of the curve. Which of these remarkable AI tools resonates with your business goals? Share your insights in the comments section below, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more illuminating insights into the realm of AI-driven business excellence. Until our next exploration, keep embracing curiosity and welcome the future with open arms.